Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut lab 4.6.7 and we're going to configure a DHCP relay agent. So switch A has several clients that are configured to obtain their IP address subnet marks, a default gateway information and DNS server IP addresses from a DHCP server. So in this lab, your task is to configure router B on DHCP relay agents to forward the client broadcast DHCP discover packet as a unicast IP packet address to DHCP server. We're going to configure FA0/1 to forward all DHCP packets. So when we are finished, we're going to save our configurations. So let's start up, go to router B, and here we want to type in EN and press enter, and we want to type in conf space T, press enter, and we want to type in INT space FA0/1, press enter. I want to type in IP space helper dash ADDR, which stands for address, and space 172.16.1.1. I'll press enter. So pressing no space IP space forward dash protocol space UDP space 137, press enter. No space IP space forward dash protocol space UDP space 138. You press enter. Press exit and press enter. Type in copy space run space start, press enter, and let's see how we do, and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.